Welcome back to another quick video. Thank you guys for sticking with me whenever I upload my videos. So this is just a quick one about what you don't address in your current generation. It will flow into the next and continue to be like a generational cycle. What I hear a lot about from some mums or some people is that, oh, it's naturally it's too much hard work. I just can't be bothered. I don't have the time to be doing my child hair every week or every 2 weeks. That's just too much. The problem is this is feeding into your kids. They're hearing it, they're seeing it in your mannerism. And the problem is they will also carry that full process into their hair care, into their next coming generation, unless they actually step out of that cycle, break the cycle, and independently get to know and find ways of how to look after their hair. So I implore you, mothers, take the time, or us generally as Black people, just take the time to look into what our hair likes and nurture it. I was certainly not built in a day. I didn't learn everything I know in a day. I didn't automatically just wake up and suddenly have all the answers to mine and the girls' routine and all the other clients that I've helped. It took time and patience, and yes, there were frustrating moments, but I kept pushing through because I knew what I wanted for my girls. Get the help you need and break the cycle. If you need any help, don't hesitate to get in touch. Reach out.